Hi, welcome to Saasyto. Let's see how to create a contact group. On your left side at the bottom, there will be an option Create Contacts. Click on that. Then click on the plus sign, enter the name of your contact group and click Submit. After creating the contact group, it will appear like this. Now click on the list icon and then click on Import. Here you can import contacts in two ways. First, by uploading a CSV file, and second, by pasting the numbers directly. Just make sure to include the country code before each number. For India, it's 91. For example, this is my Excel sheet. I copied contacts from here and simply pasted them here. After this, your contact group will appear in Create Campaign. Our team is available here to assist you. So if you have any doubts or problem, you can drop a message on our WhatsApp number 8810 757473. Thank you so much for watching.